This is the first time after winning the election BJP you have come here. How do you see the victory overall?
I think, as I told you, this was a great victory, reaffirmation of faith on Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The Karyakarta of Tripura worked very hard. We are proud of them, and I think we owe a lot of our gratitude to the great people of Tripura. Tripura Matha has raised certain issue regarding the welfare of the tribal people. Without dividing the state of Tripura, we are ready to sit down with them. We want to talk with them. We want to resolve the grievances of tribal people, but we cannot talk of Greater Tripura land. Tripura will remain united. So within the Greater Tripura, whatever need to be talked, whatever need to be addressed, both central government and state government will be ready. That is my view.
Little bit.
Yeah. So on 7 there will be vote. On 8 Tripura, 7 it will be in Meghalaya and Nagaland.
PM is coming?
We have invited him.
You have invited. Post-poll violence.
I think Tripura government is looking at it, and I am sure that situation will be normal. After election, it is democracy. Whoever win, whoever lost, we should be one.
BJP is also being targeted this time.
That is what I think. In democracy, there should not be post-poll violence, and that is not a good thing. And obviously, I am sure that Tripura government is looking at the issue.